Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I prepared this delicious green vegetable sauce with boiled yam. Please do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So to achieve this, I'm going to be using fresh tomatoes, fresh pepper, carrots, garlic, seasoning cubes, onions, green pepper, salt, smoked fish, groundnut oil, green vegetable leaf. This is how the green vegetable leaf looks like while it's still fresh. And of course, yam. So I'm going to start by cutting and peeling my yam, then wash, add a little salt and then place it on fire for it to boil while I do other things. So guys, it's time to prepare the sauce. So just watch how I do this. It's very simple. Remember, you've already added some salt to the green vegetable already. So when you're adding salt here, you need to be very careful. Just add a little, okay?